Hello, it's Angelo Pucci and welcome to our newest listing at 1473 Altona Road in West Pickering. This home is absolutely incredible, beautifully decorated, finished top to bottom. But to tell you more about it, Kim is standing by. Kim, let's take it away.
An exceptional home and property situated within West Pickering's highly desirable Rougemount neighbourhood. Welcome to 1473 Altona Road. Set on a premium-sized lot, the property showcases an interlocking driveway, stone and perennial landscaping, as well as mature trees and hedges bringing privacy to the front and backyards. The home itself has a brick exterior with a stone and stucco front facade, exterior pot lighting, and a double-door garage, while the interior showcases superb appointments, just over 4,000 square feet of main and upper-level living space, as well as a fully finished lower level. The stone portico's entry door and sidelights are accented with frosted glass and wrought iron inserts, inviting you into a travertine tiled reception foyer that immediately opens into the first of this home's beautifully appointed interior spaces, the formal entertaining rooms. Exuding an aura of elegance, the formal living room showcases a tray ceiling with crown moldings, custom window treatments, pot lighting, and hardwood flooring, with the hardwood flowing into the adjacent formal dining room. Equally elegant, this space has a curved accent wall that has two cutouts for openness to the main hall, is illuminated by two exquisite chandeliers, and like the living room, also has custom treatments for its windows. The hardwood flooring is continued throughout the main hall and into the family room. An impressive casual entertaining space with a waffled cathedral ceiling, suspended from which is a magnificent spiral chandelier, as well as 2 stories of windows with custom treatments. This room also shares with the adjacent breakfast room the warmth of a double-sided gas fireplace with built-in TV niches on either side and fully surrounded with stacked stone cladding. With a gorgeous contemporary design, the Gourmet Kitchen showcases cabinetry with interior accent and undermount lighting, open shelving, and an upper cabinet with frosted panels, a center island with breakfast seating, pendant lighting, and a prep sink, stone counters and a glass-tiled backsplash, a stainless steel double sink, and high-end built-in appliances including dishwasher, 6-burner gas cooktop, wall oven and microwave, as well as a side-by-side fridge-freezer. And travertine flooring is the finishing touch here and in the breakfast area. There is also direct access to the formal dining room for entertaining convenience, while casual entertaining is readily extended to the outdoors during the warm weather months, where large gatherings can easily be accommodated on a huge deck overlooking the massive backyard. Beautifully appointed, the main level powder room has both stone and hardwood flooring, a wall-mounted glass basin with a waterfall edge, and is illuminated by wall sconces and 2 chandeliers. Expanded to create a luxurious dressing and makeup area, this room can be converted back to its original layout of 2 distinct spaces, with a wall separating the powder room from a home office that would have its entry off the family room. Carrying to the upper level is a beautiful dark-stained oak hardwood staircase with wrought iron spindles, and this level showcases hardwood flooring and pot lighting throughout, a laundry room, as well as 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ensuite washrooms. While the hallway also has a curved feature wall, crown moldings, a huge skylight with an elegant chandelier suspended from within, and an interior balcony from which to better appreciate the grandeur of the family room below. Adjacent to this balcony is a set of double doors opening into the 4th bedroom, which features a walk-in closet and crown moldings with recessed accent lighting. This bedroom has access to a Jack and Jill washroom with marble tiled finishes throughout, a vanity with stone counter and 2 stone vessel basins, as well as a glass shower area. And this washroom is shared with the 3rd bedroom, which features a double closet, a pendant-style chandelier, and a curved ceiling mirroring the curvature of the window's transom. The 2nd bedroom also has a double closet, windows with arched transoms, and a vaulted ceiling with 2 matching chandeliers. Its ensuite washroom also has a matching chandelier and additionally features tiled finishes, a bath shower combo with glass door and a jetted tub, as well as a modern porcelain and glass wall-mounted sink. This level has a very spacious double linen closet, and conveniently across the hall is a laundry room with a tiled floor, front-load washer and dryer, cabinetry storage, and counter workspace. Luxuriously appointed throughout, the master suite has a double-door entry and unobstructed backyard views. Breathtakingly beautiful, this gorgeous personal space showcases a gas fireplace, a sitting area by the window, a tray ceiling with crown moldings, 2 chandeliers, 2 separate walk-in closets, and a spa-like ensuite washroom, which has tiled finishes, a built-in wall display shelf, a contemporary vanity with stone counter and 2 vessel basins, a water closet, a glass shower, as well as a jetted tub with the added warmth of a gas fireplace and the ambient lighting of a chandelier overhead. Off the staircase to the lower level is a travertine tiled sunken landing, which has 2 separate closets with custom organizers, as well as access to the attached garage. Its interior accommodating 3 vehicle parking, 2 which are tandem spaces, and with the floor finished with industrial-grade epoxy. The lower level showcases hardwood flooring, pot lighting, and above-grade windows throughout, while its massive recreation area adds incredible living and entertaining space to the home. This huge room can accommodate 2 separate sitting areas, one which centers itself around a gas fireplace clad in floor-to-ceiling stacked stone, has a custom wood bar with stone counter and pendant lighting, and has a games area ideal for pool, table tennis, card playing, or other friendly competitive pursuits. This level also has a cold room and plenty of storage, a luxurious washroom with tiled finishes, and an oversized shower with river rock floor and accent border, and a spa system, while a huge bedroom with a double door entry and a double closet completes this level. A short walk to Elizabeth B. Finn Public School, St. Monica Catholic Elementary School, and public transit, this home is also close to Rouge Urban National Park, the Altona Forest, as well as the Steeple Hill and Amberley shopping plazas. While the Pickering Town Centre Mall, recreational facilities, Petticoat Creek Conservation Area, Pickering's waterfront along Lake Ontario, The GO station and access to Highway 401 are all just short drives away.